The becoming. I was not born knowing how to love myself. I was born curious, clumsy, a girl who tripped over her own shadow, who laughed too loud in rooms that wanted whispers. I thought self love was something other people were given at birth, like clear skin or straight teeth. I learned otherwise the slow way. I learned it the night I walked home alone, heart racing, but still steadying my own breath, teaching myself that fear doesn't cancel my strength. I learned it in bathrooms, staring into mirrors clouded with doubt, where mascara ran, but I still whispered, "You are not unworthy just because you are undone." I learned it in the cracked silence after friendships ended, the awkward pauses at tables where my chair was suddenly empty. Loneliness felt like failure until I realized it was an invitation to sit with myself and listen. There were lessons in bruises, in "you're too much," in the echo of doors closing. Each experience a small classroom with no chalkboard, only my heart scribbling notes. You are still here. You are still whole. And slowly, I began to carry myself differently, not like a prize to be won, not like a burden to apologize for, but like a landscape, vast, unfinished, still worth wandering. Self love for me wasn't fireworks or crowns. It was learning to cook dinner for one and still set the table. It was laughing at my own clumsy dance in the kitchen light. It was answering the phone with my true voice, not the edited one I thought people wanted. I stopped treating my story like a draft that needed someone else's red pen. I let it be messy, awkward, strange, and somehow more beautiful because of it. There are scars I carry that will never smooth out, memories that still tighten in my chest. But even those are teachers, pointing me back teachers, pointing me back to my own resilience. Self love, I found, is not a destination. It's a practice, like tending a fire that flickers but does not go out. Some days it's a whisper, some days it's a roar, but it is always mine. So here I stand, not flawless, not finished, but fully becoming. And if you've ever stumbled, ever felt too strange, too awkward, too much, or not enough, know this: you are still worthy of standing in your own light. You are still allowed to call yourself home.